Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Payoneer to Amazon KDP. If you're publishing books on Amazon KDP and want to receive your royalty payments internationally, one of the easiest methods is connecting your Payoneer account as your bank. Payoneer provides virtual receiving accounts that work like local bank accounts, which makes it possible to receive payments from Amazon. First, sign into your account on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once logged in, go to your KDP dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage your books, royalties, and account settings. Now click on your account name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Your Account. Inside your account settings, find the section called Getting Paid. This section allows you to add or edit the bank account where Amazon sends your royalty payments. Under Payment Information, you'll be asked to enter where your bank is located. You'll have to choose where it is. Amazon will ask you to enter your banking details. Use the information from your Payoneer receiving account and fill in the following fields: bank name, copy from Payoneer; account number, your Payoneer receiving account number; routing number, provided in your Payoneer USD account; account type, usually checking. Make sure the information matches exactly with what appears in Payoneer. After entering all the details, click Add. Amazon will now register this account as your payment method. From this point forward, your royalties from book sales will be transferred directly to your Payoneer account. Amazon typically pays royalties around 60 days after the end of the month in which the sales occurred. Once the payment is sent, it will appear in your Payoneer balance. From there, you can withdraw funds to your local bank, transfer to another account, use your Payoneer card if available. By locating your Payoneer receiving account details and adding them to the payment settings inside Amazon KDP, you can start receiving your book royalties internationally without needing a traditional US bank account. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.